And as you guys can see, I already have a glow on my skin because these products are just literally like magic. Hi guys, it's Ellie. Welcome back to another coffee morning vlog. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to do my makeup and I'm going to show you guys step by step what I do, because a lot of you guys are asking me like, Ellie, you're not showing the products and we don't know what you're using. Although I put it in the description box down below, but I'm also going to show you guys and tell you guys the name. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a like, consider subscribing. This is my beauty vlog channel. I like to talk about whatever I want to talk about while I do my makeup. So let's get going. If you guys like to purchase my products, I have vegan, organic, cruelty-free makeup and skincare. My products are literally amazing. If you guys are interested, you can go to EllieArket.com. Like I said, everything's going to be in the description box down below. Also, my Shopify store is going to be in the link. The link is going to be in the description box, and that's where you guys can buy like beauty devices and tools to get like your jaw snatched and your cheek snatched and hair curler and straightener and eyelash. It's very cool like devices and tools we have. So so my face is washed. I don't have anything on my face. I didn't put my eyelashes on either because I'm going to show you guys how to do all of that in this video. I'm going to do like a really simple like, you know, look. So I'm going to use my day serum. This is a 24 karat gold collagen day serum. This brightens your complexion. It gets rid of acne scars, age spots, sunspots. It brightens your complexion. It tightens your skin. It's 100% collagen. So we're going to start with it. You want to put in your face cream. This is a 24 karat gold collagen, retinol, hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E. It's literally amazing. It's the most hydrating face cream you'll ever need. So you put this down. And as you guys can see, I already have a glow on my skin because these products are just literally like magic. So you want to let this kind of sit and soak in, and then while it's kind of dewy, look at my skin though. Look what this product does to the skin. You guys can see I already have like this glow because it's super hydrating. It brightens your complexion. It's like an eraser. It just like changes your skin like literally before your eyes. So now that I have that, a lot of you guys are asking me, what are you putting on your face afterwards? So I use, because I don't like to wear foundation and concealer because my face doesn't really need it. I mean, my skin doesn't really need it. I do kind of put a couple of dabs of CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream. This is in light medium number 530. I buy this from CVS. I have another one here. This is a lot lighter. This is a light pale number 520. Sometimes when I feel like when I wake up in the morning, if I have dark circles under my eyes, if I have an audition or a meeting or something like that, I put that. I don't wear concealer and foundation. This kind of does everything. So I'm going to just go ahead and use this one, which is a light medium number 530. Like I said, it's CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream. And it's really amazing because it's kind of like a tinted moisturizer. So it further moisturizes your skin, but it's not heavy. And I just put it like that. You know, it's not a foundation for me to like, you know, get a beauty blender to like bake it in my skin, you know. And then I just use my fingers to I feel like your makeup looks a lot more natural when you do this process, because maybe on camera you guys can't see, but like in person, when you wear foundation and concealer and contour and powder, it looks really cakey and it looks really like unnatural. And sometimes when I do my makeup, if it's like really heavy with the eyeshadow and everything, if I want to go to the grocery store, like I take it off because I don't want it. It's like too much, because it's almost like a studio makeup. It's like a you know, makeup for like the camera, right? So this is really natural, as you guys can see. I just put a little bit and that's it. And I use my fingers to just kind of, you know, put it everywhere. Now, I also use this brilliant contour brush. This is by Wet n Wild. It's number 805. It's called Call Me Maple, and it's very warm. It's very like, you know, brownish, you know. And I just like do just like a little bit. This is going to be like a really natural makeup today. But I wanted to show you guys the steps because everyone's keep asking me like, what are you putting on? What are you doing? So that's what this video is for, so you guys can see what the process is. So I kind of do this, especially today. I'm not going to wear anything too heavy on my eyes. Since I'm not really doing that, I'm just going to put some eyelashes down, and I'm going to put some eyelashes down and just put like a really soft, like, you know, eyeshadow with it, or just like eyeliner with it. So since I'm not really doing anything heavy with the eyes, I'm doing the face first. So this is e.l.f. and this is a pressed powder, and now it looks like this, and it comes with like a little sponge. So I basically just take the sponge with the powder, and I just put it right here under my eyes to like brighten my eye again, just like right here. Like, you can't put it everywhere obviously because it's just like a loose powder, but I especially like to put it right here, like around the eyes. And I take like a fluffy brush and I just, you know, distribute it. I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quick. I use Ardell dark brown pomade, and it comes with a brush, but I'm using my own brush. And I'm so sorry, you guys, my brush set is sold out and I don't know when I'm gonna get it. But good news is all my lipsticks are coming back. So if you guys are waiting for the lipsticks that are sold out, like Lilith, Pagan, the lip gloss is Chant, Conjure, what else is coming back? Hallows Eve, Maleficent, Celestial, Astra, like all those lipsticks are coming back pretty soon. I should probably have them in a week. So I do my eyebrows really quick because my eyebrows are already dark and it's thick, so I just kind of fill it out a little bit. I'm gonna do my eyelashes now. Again, my eyelashes are vegan and organic and cruelty free. That means it's not made from animal products. This is actually 100% silk and it's handmade, so it's not gonna give you an allergic reaction. And they're very fluffy but super light and very easy to wear all day long. And I always wear my eyelashes like all day because I do so many different videos. So I'm gonna put these down. So the key to getting your eyelashes on is that, you know, you put it in the center and then you kind of use the end of your tweezer to push it down. And I just like to leave it on for like, I don't know, 10-20 seconds or something as it's drying, and then I use my fingers to squeeze my real eyelashes to the false eyelashes. Now I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow palette, and we're just gonna do very soft like eyeshadow. I'm doing it so very lightly, and I'm putting it all over my lid because it's metallic and it's gonna kind of like brighten the the lid. But I want this look to be really natural. So I am gonna go in with an angled brush and use the black one as eyeliner, just in the corners, okay? So I'm showing you guys like literally step by step. I'm gonna go in with my blush highlighter palette. If you guys get this, literally it's gonna last you forever. We have 3 shades of blush and 3 shades of highlighter. So I'm gonna go in with Charmed and just kind of push it up here. I usually put it right under my eye, but today I think I'm just gonna push it up like this to push the face out. You can kind of smirk a little bit and smile to see with the apple of your cheeks. I have really high cheekbones, so it's not that difficult to kind of get that look. But if you guys don't have high cheekbones and you want that look, you can contour under your cheeks where it's going to give you that lift. I'm going to mix Soulmate and Karmic Relationship together and just put it right here. Like, I don't want to do too much. This is just going to be really soft makeup today. And I'm gonna go with my finger and just, sometimes I like to just use my fingers because I want to get like a specific look, and this looks really cute. Everything is like lifted. Now we're gonna do a really cute lipstick. You guys get my Velour liquid lipsticks, make sure you guys shake it because it's mixed with mineral oil. So this is Blessed Bee, and then I'm just gonna go in and put it down. And then I use my fingers. I didn't want to put too much down. I didn't want like full coverage, but I just wanted some down. And then I'm going to take whatever that's left on my fingers, because all of my lipsticks and products are vegan and organic and cruelty free. That means you can put it on your eyelids, on your face, inside your waterline. So then I'm going to take that, because you can use these for eyeliner, eyeshadows, blush. So I'm using whatever that's left on my finger, and I'm just gonna kind of dab it right here. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to kind of show you guys step by step how to do my kind of like a day-to-day makeup and the products that I use. So if you guys are interested in my products, go to EllieArket.com. Everything is going to be in the description box down below. Also my Shopify store, the link is going to be in there in the description box down below. Give this video a like, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's coffee morning vlog. I didn't really gossip or anything, but I just wanted to do like a quick one so you guys kind of see what I actually do. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for another coffee morning vlog. See you guys. Bye.